Hello everyone. Many customers are unsure how to install and commission a reverse osmosis row system after receiving it. Today, I'll give you a brief overview of the process. First, let's take a look at the overall structure of the row system. The system mainly consists of a pre-treatment system and the row main system. The pre-treatment system includes a quartz sand filter, activated carbon filter, dosing device, and precision filter. The row main system includes a high-pressure pump, pressure vessels, instruments, pipelines, and a control box. The installation process is divided into 3 parts. Part 1. Piping connections. The user needs to connect the inlet to the tap water supply, connect the outlet to the pure water tank, and connect the drain outlet to the wastewater discharge pipe, which should lead to a floor drain to ensure smooth drainage. Part 2. Filter media loading. In most cases, the manufacturer completes the media loading before shipment, so users typically don't need to handle this step again. Part 3. Power connection. The user just needs to follow the wiring diagram and connect the power correctly to complete the installation. That's the basic installation process for a reverse osmosis system. If you have questions about water treatment, feel free to comment.